Welcome to Victoria Renovates. I'm Victoria and this is my first time ever doing a YouTube channel, so please be kind. And also my first time ever doing a renovation project. So I am really excited to show you what I've been doing and what I need to do, which is a very long list. And I welcome any expertise, helpful suggestions, or just some encouragement really. So I'll start by showing you where I live and the project, and then I'll show you in the next few videos what's been going on. Thanks for joining. Please don't forget to hit subscribe because it really helps me build my channel. Thank you. Bye. Beautiful magical fairy waterfall. Here where I live, all the beautiful bluebells, rushes, clearest water. It's just so peaceful. All trees starting to come into leaf.